Okay, this is a quick recap video of the important things of the chapter so you know exactly what to expect on our test. Our test is going to be multiple choice open-ended, but this is kind of a flow chart of what we did in this chapter. The first thing you want to know how to do is plot your scatter plot. Take x and y variables, put them on a scaled axes, and be able to interpret the dots. Once the dots are on the paper, what do we do with them? You look at the scatter plot for form, outliers, direction, and strength. We talked in our notes about how we talk about each of them. Form is linear or not linear. Direction is positive or negative. Outliers you look for visually. And strength is weak, moderate, moderately strong, or strong. The numerical summaries that we used 100% use the calculator to get are stat, edit, put the data in the calculator. Then from that, you can do 2 var stats. So again, stat, calc, 2 var stats. And in your 2 var stats, when you calculate it, you can get your x bar, sx for standard deviation. Scroll down, you get y bar and sy. The next thing we did was stat, calc, linear regression. And when we did linear regression of list 1 and list 2, we were able to calculate that. And our important parts are the line is y equals ax plus b. You take this number for a and put it in the equation. You take this number for b and you put it in the equation. So this would be y equals 1.2x plus negative 3.7. R is our correlation. It is R. R squared is called the coefficient of determination. It is the percent of the variation explained by the line. So back to the flow chart. We did all of those summaries. We did the line of the equation, and we did R squared to see how good it was. Some closing clarifications to clear things up. Correlation is R. Regression is the equation of the line. Y equals ax plus b. Down here, y equals ax plus b is called regression. Slope is just the a value. It is just how much does y change when x changes by 1. The last thing, the regression line has other names that you will see. Regression line, line of best fit, and least squares regression line are all the same. I hope this clears some things up as you go into the test.